Hello and welcome. In this session, we will write function to reverse a single linked list. In this program, let's focus more on reversing the single linked list. For completion purpose, I have added code to add nodes in single linked list. This we have already discussed and I will not go in details of these functions. In main function, we have initially created a single linked list with datas 10, 100 and 1000 as nodes using create node at end function, and using print node function we are printing the single linked list starting from the head node. Now here we are implementing single linked list reversal using two methods. In first method we pass the head node itself and then we make current node point to previous node in each iteration, and at end we return the new head node. In second method, we are passing the address of head node itself. So in second case, there is no need to return head node as we can update the content of head node itself by accessing its address. Here in first method, we have reversed the node by printing the same and again reversing the reversed single linked list and printing the original single linked list. Before we explain the function, let's compile and execute it. From output, we can see that we have displayed the original single linked list. Then using first method, we have reversed the single linked list and displayed it. And lastly, using second method again, we have reversed the single linked list and printing the final reversed single linked list. Let's discuss each method now. In first method, we are passing the head node itself as a parameter to this function, and we have taken three nodes: previous, current and next. Initially, previous and next nodes are pointing to null and current node is pointing to head node. Now we iterate in while loop until the last node. At end of each iteration, we will be having current node pointing to previous node and next node points to the node that is present after the current node, and previous node will point to one node back from previous node, and both current node and next node will point to same node. Let's understand this picture really for better understanding. In first picture we have three nodes 10, 100 and 1000. For simplicity, let's assume each node's base address as shown here. Now, before first iteration, previous equal to null, current equal to head node that is 10 and previous equal to null. After first iteration end, we have current and next pointing to the node with value 100 and previous will point to node with value 10, and the node with 10 which was pointing to node with 100 will now point to null. At the end of second iteration, we will have current and next node point to the node with data 1000 and previous will point to node with data 100, and the second node with data 100 which was pointing to third node with data 1000 will now point to first node with data 10. This loop continues until all the nodes points to its previous nodes, and in end, head node will be returned and updated in main function. Now, if we look back at the code here, in a loop we are changing the current node to point to previous node and changing the pointers of current, next and previous node accordingly as explained in the diagram. Now in second method, which is almost similar to the first method, the only difference is since we have got the handle to the head pointer, we can assign the new head pointer that we got after reversing the single linked list in same function, that is reverse linked list to itself, and hence there is no need to return any head pointer. Thank you for joining this session.